Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $21,330. 24-hour volume, we're up 24.31%, and market cap, we're up 10.96%. Heading over to our chart here, 4 time intervals I'm going to cover in today's video: 1 week, 1 day, 2 hours, and 30 minutes. So let's get started. Heading over to the 1 week here, you guys, we can see a huge pump in the volume itself, and we are not over yet. We still have today and tomorrow for this week, and we currently have roughly 13,000 trades so far. As the volume is coming up, we can see we're retracing closer to 23% of our fib. Notice that there are certain rejection from this line from certain candles prior, so June 27th and August 22nd here, as high as 21,900. So as price is coming up, we are going to retest this area of resistance to see if we can be able to break it. As we see the RSI again, it is still indicating a pinch in the marketplace, so proceed with caution. Again, the volume itself does not support the price action itself, so we want to look for short entry trades at a lower time frame. And of course, again, we need to be able to retrace closer to 0%, but take a look at this histogram bar. Different from yesterday itself, it is growing in size. That means the momentum is getting stronger, and we are bouncing very nicely from our support at 13,356. Our daily chart here, we're heading over. We can see already a spike of our volume. Take a look at the volume here coming back up. The volume decreased as we have a spike of our volume at 3,000 so far today, retraced to an area of convergence, an area of confluence, and an area of interest. At 61% and 50% of our fib chart, we can see this area did generate a lot of trend and interest on our volume indicator off to the side here, as this node of 21,400 is sticking out. So area of this price can either break it, close above it, or get rejected down. If you take a look at different areas of our fib charts, there isn't any other areas of convergence here. However, if we take a look at our fib charts, we have been really nice support here, roughly around the 20,800. So if price does want to come back down, we can see this area as a retest of the support. And of course, we can see our RSI is considered to be overbought. However, there's not a sell signal here, as we don't see these two lines cross over, and our MACD indicator here has finally crossed over at a significant area of resistance from support, and we are in the green. So long as we're monitoring the histograms here and we are again expanding these two lines further apart, the momentum is going to grow stronger and the bars itself is going to get bigger as well. Going into our 2-hour time frame, you guys, we can see these lovely green candles here as we are breaking through multiple areas of our fib chart. And coming up, we can see on a 2-hour chart, there isn't any pullbacks. We just aggressively continue to go and hit the top of our Bollinger Band, which again, we are considered to be overbought. Take a look at the RSI too. It is retracing at 100% in multiple areas of our candlesticks. However, it did not trigger a sell trade. But considering for Bitcoin, this pump itself, do consider there is going to be a retracement, and we're going to take a look at that in the 30-hour time frame. But the area of convergence for, and sparks of interest is probably going to be around the 50% to the 38% at 19,963. That is if we do see our MACD indicator flip over from the green to the red, and the uptrend itself is not supported by the volume. We can already see that we've got numerous candles coming up, and the volume itself is continuously spiking and increasing. But if we do lose the area of volume, be careful for that retracement. And lastly, our 30-minute for short trades. Take a look at this, where the price of the volume continues to come up, again, slicing right through our fib chart retracements, but we have slight pullbacks. We don't have shallow pullbacks, meaning momentum is still going to continue to go up. Take a look at our MACD indicator as well. It does show some histograms in the red. However, these are not as big, so the current and the trend is not as strong that we are going to break areas of convergence here. Now, taking a look at our fib chart and our volume indicator, take a look at 21,100 all the way down to 20,900 itself, generated the majority of the trades, even though Bitcoin is up. Here is the test here, you guys, at the 20,900 at 78% and 61% of our fib of an area of convergence. So if price does retrace down, not only we are matching the same low from this previous session here, but we are closer to our 20 MA and may damage this ultimate uptrend. If we don't hold the support at 78%, then price is going to reverse at this peak here, as we see at the RSI coming back down to 25% and 53%. So if we do come back down here and we see a crossover of our RSI, we are going to bounce very nicely at this area of convergence. So that's my video here, you guys, for Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you next time.